Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. I am Hamadur Rahman from Boys Senior Wing DPS Model Town Lahore. It's our lecture number 7 of class 9th Biology. First of all, a short recap of our previous lecture. Students, we discussed in our previous lecture different level of biological organization, which were atomic level, molecular level, organelles and cell level, tissue level, organ and organ system level, population level, community level, and biosphere level. These all biological levels were discussed in our previous lecture. Now students, come to our today lecture. First of all, objectives of our today lecture. Students, in our today lecture we will discuss types of organisms, types of cells, types of cellular organization. First one is types of organisms or group of organisms. Students, living organisms are divided into 5 major groups or divisions, which were animals, plants, prokaryotes, fungi, and protista. Animals are multicellular living organisms and heterotrophic in nature. Multicellular means made up of 2 or more than 2 cells. Heterotrophs mean living organisms which do not prepare their own food, while plants are multicellular and autotrophic in nature. Autotrophs mean living organisms which prepare their own food through photosynthesis, while prokaryotes are living organisms which do not have prominent nucleus. Fungi, protista. Protista are unicellular living organisms. Now, types of cells. Students, we know all the living organisms are made up of cell, either single cell or many cells. Living organisms are divided into 2 major groups, which are prokaryotes and eukaryotes on the basis of types of cells. There are 2 types of cell, prokaryotic cell and eukaryotic cell. Prokaryotes mean before nucleus. Prokaryotes are living organisms which do not have prominent nucleus, while eukaryotes mean true nucleus. Eukaryotes are living organisms which have prominent nucleus. For better understanding, students, look at this video carefully. Prokaryotic cell generally small in size, while eukaryotic cell generally large in size. Prokaryotic cell nucleus is not surrounded by nuclear membrane, while in eukaryotic cell nucleus is surrounded by nuclear membrane. In prokaryotic cell, nuclear material has single chromosomes present in nucleoid, while in eukaryotic cell, nucleus contains more than 1 chromosome. In prokaryotic cell, nucleolus is absent, while in eukaryotic cell, nucleolus is absent. Nucleolus is dark spot present in nucleus. In prokaryotic cell, cell organelles are not bonded by a membrane, while eukaryotic cell, all cell organelles are bonded by membrane. Example of prokaryotic cells are bacteria and cyanobacteria, while examples of eukaryotic cells are plants and animals. In plants and animals, eukaryotic cells are present. This is a short video for better explanation of difference between prokaryotic and eukaryotic cell. Now students, types of cell organization. Students, there are 3 types of cell organization, which is unicellular organization, colonial organization, multicellular organization. First of all, unicellular organization. A unicellular organism is an organism that consists of single cell. This means all processes such as reproduction, feeding, digestion and excretion occur in one cell. Examples of unicellular organization are paramecium, amoeba, bacteria, yeast. Now look at these animation. Student, in first animation you are seeing amoeba, and in second animation you are seeing bacteria, while in third one yeast. Second type of cell organization is colonial organization. In colonial type of cell organization, many unicellular organisms live together but do not have any division of labor among them. Each unicellular organism is in a colony live its own life and does not depend on other cell for its vital requirement. It's mean in colonial organization, every individual is responsible for its own activities. Examples of colonial organization. Volvox is a green alga found in water that show colonial organization. Hundreds of Volvox cells make a colony. Now look at this animation. In this animation, this spherical portion is a colony in which different Volvox live together but do not depend upon each other. Third type of cellular organization is multicellular organization. In multicellular organization, organisms made up of two or more cells. They can be seen with naked eye. They need all parts of itself to survive. A tissue, organ, or organism that is made up of many cells is said to be multicellular. Many mean two or more than two. Animals, plants, and fungi are multicellular organisms, and often there is a specialization of different cells for various functions. For example, an Iron Man is a human being. Humans are made up of trillions of cells. In humans, there are different types of organs and organ systems are present, like digestive system, nervous system, circulatory systems. So, in human, multicellular organization is present. While in bees, different organs and organ systems are present. So, bees are also of type of multicellular organization. Now, examples of multicellular organization. First example of multicellular organization is frog. Scientific name of frog is Rana tigrina. Frog shows a multicellular organization. The body is made up of organ system, and each organ system consists of related organs. All organs are made up of specific tissues like epithelial, granular, muscular, and nervous tissues, etc. Second example of multicellular organization is mustard plant. Scientific name of mustard plant is Brassica campestris. The organ of body can be divided into two groups, which were vegetative organs and reproductive organs. For better understanding of vegetative organs and reproductive organs, students look at this video. This is a plant body of Brassica campestris, in which stem, roots, and leaves are vegetative organs, while flowers are reproductive organs. So, students, root, stem, and leaves are vegetative organs, while flowers are reproductive organs. Now, recap of our previous knowledge of our today lecture. Students, in our today lecture, we discuss types of organisms, which were animals, plant, prokaryotes, fungi and protista. Types of cells. There are two types of cell, prokaryotic and eukaryotic. Prokaryotes mean living organisms which do not have prominent nucleus. Eukaryotes mean organisms which have prominent nucleus. And third one is type of cellular organization. Students, we discussed three types of cellular organization: unicellular cell organization, colonial organization and multicellular organization. This is a summary of our today lecture.